Whoop whoop. We're back for round 2 of my Singapore shopping haul, and this time it's jewelry. My favorite. Okay, so we're gonna start. I always like to start with the best, so let's start with the best. Okie dokie. So this item is actually for my 51st birthday present. Even though it was back in March, but I waited till I was in Singapore to find the treasure that spoke to me. So initially I was there to get a tanzanite or a emerald bracelet, right? And while I was looking around the display, wow, this popped up and I was blown away. This is actually a Tahitian pearl ring, and it's in 18K gold. And can you see the little diamonds? So it's so beautiful. And to be honest, when I saw it, I was like, wow, I'm going to KIV the rest of the jewelry and get this, right? So beautiful. Look how the 3D effect, and you can see the heart shape here with the little diamonds, and just look at the, you know, the making, the artistry in all this. It's like a meshing. I've never come across or seen this kind of very unique kind of design. And I love flowers, and yeah, it's really very stunning, right? Look at it. Wow, I love it. So nice. So this I love. Okay, mind my nails. It's a bit icky because I am doing some house cleaning and spring cleaning here in Malaysia. We only come back roughly every 6 months or so. And while I was shopping for myself, I couldn't help but shop for my daughters. Even though their birthdays are towards the end of the year, I thought I'll get them some bling while I'm at the store. And voila! These are also pearls. So these are freshwater pearls. So Tahitian pearls cost quite a fair bit, right? I went to check, and it's, can you see the luster of this Tahitian pearl? This is a grade, I think, like, don't know what, top grade. And can you see the luster, how there's a mirror reflection, right? So stunning. And these are freshwater pearls, so they cost less, but these are also, the design is so stunning. It's like a smile. If you know Tiffany smile, you know, actually my younger daughter does have a Tiffany smile pendant, and it has diamonds, and this is in 18K yellow gold with freshwater pearls. So pretty. And there's even like a little diamond dingle dangle here. And we got her, this is for my elder daughter. She loves sweet, pretty, dainty stuff, and she got this earring. Is a butterfly. You can see it's butterfly diamond encrusted design with the freshwater pearl. So this is so stunning. Yeah, love it. And yeah, so they're all these jewelry are in 18K gold, and real diamonds, not lab diamonds, right? Not created diamonds. And this design is actually for my younger daughter. Yeah, so this is a very classic design, the freshwater pearl encrusted, you know, surrounded by all these diamonds. So these are the matching earrings, so pretty. And the ring, let's try on the ring. It's really quite pretty. Let's see. Okay, mommy and daughter. Okay, so this is perfect for a 24-year-old, oh sorry, 23-year-old. I gave her 1 year older. You know, not too big, a little bit dainty, classic, forever classic piece. And of course, this is like a bespoke piece. Like, it's art in itself, art. art. Can't emphasize art. So that's my jewelry collection. Now I'm looking into unique designs, more with a artistic kind of interpretation, right? Okay, so that's haul number one, the best. And let's go to haul number two. So this was actually this box of goodies was actually an online purchase I did prior to my arrival to Singapore. I bought from them before, Pearly Luster, and let's see. So, you know, it's such a, I don't know, like sometimes when you manifest something, you don't expect it right immediately. But my initial purchase, just before I went back, I was looking at collecting a nice pearl collection. I did buy this Tahitian pearl earring in a mabe. Okay, mabe is basically like a half circle, semicircle. So for earrings, I prefer it not to jut out too big, right? Like ring, you know, can you imagine this sticking out from my ear? No, so I saw this and I bought the extra pearl backing, and it's just so pretty, you know, just very, you know, I didn't want anything too big on my ears. And what happened was, after I bought this, then I found this, you know, and they're both Tahitian pearls, though you can see the grading is slightly different. The ring is a peacock kind of gray, and this one is not as vibrant actually. I don't know how to show you the difference. Yeah, it's like, yeah. So nonetheless, love it, love it, love it. Actually, I should show you the difference between a freshwater black pearl, and I recently learned that freshwater black pearls dyed, right? They're not organically made by the mussel. I think it's a mussel. So can you see the difference in the color? And of course, this is just more like an accessory, not very expensive, a few $100s, and this of course a few $1,000s. So can you see the difference in the color? So stunning. So Tahitian pearls. My next pearl on my list is probably the Akoya pearls, or maybe even the Australian white pearls, right? So that's for next time. My husband was saying 30th anniversary. It's a pearl. Pearl is the gift stone or jewelry to get. Yeah, so I may consider that. So what's next? Okay, let's have a look. And I did, so Pearly Luster, they sell jewelry for every budget. So these are actually on, they kind of like wrapped it up. Anyways, so this was a free gift, kind of like a draw-in. It's like a mother of pearl or pearl heart-shaped necklace, right? And I won that on one of their lucky draws, and I actually bought matching earrings to go with it. Honestly, I won't wear it, but it can be a gift for someone in the future. Not sure exactly who, but never mind. It's a pretty set. And Pearly Luster, remember I told you that I bought the pearl backing. So these are actually backings that fit most stud earrings. So this one is in white gold, and this one is in yellow gold. So pretty, so pretty. So you can use it for all your stud earrings. You can use it as a backing to kind of bling it up or glam it up. And they did give a really nice pouch, which I love, 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 to keep my jewelry in. It's a felt pouch. And of course, there are certificates, and they even give you little Ziploc bags for to keep your pearls and the polishing cloth. So that's wonderful. Okay, so there you go, ladies and guys looking for gifts. Do check out these couple of stores when you're in Singapore. Yeah, obviously they have accessories, they have mid-range jewelry, and they have their high jewelry. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I really love my new purchases. Hi. And yeah, so look forward to the next video. We'll be back in Saudi by then. So another round of hugs and kisses and love from Malaysia to you this weekend. Is my weekend, my holiday. Okay, bye.